I'm finally shooting this video that I have been planning to do years ago. My original plan for my YouTube channel is for me to share my experience, my advice, my success, my failures because I wanted to inspire other people. Pero you know what? Hindi ko yun agad-agad ginawa because I told myself, hindi pa ako successful gaya ng ibang tao dyan who are sharing the same information sa YouTube channel nila. Sabi ko, wala pa akong karapatan. Wala pa akong karapatan para mag-share ng advice, ng experience, ng inspirational information kasi nga, hindi pa ako successful. So, dumaan yung panahon. I started this YouTube channel in 2018. I lost 6 years. Imagine that. Pinush back ko yung original plan ko for 6 years because of that thought that I'm not yet worthy to give advice or to share my experiences to other people. Ako mismo yung gumawa ng dahilan para hindi gawin yung gusto ko sanang gawin originally for my YouTube channel. So that's just an example ng procrastination and postponing what we wanted to do just because of our thoughts. We are failing ourselves na. Hindi pa man natin inuumpisahan, nag-fail na tayo. Fini-fail na natin yung sarili natin. Hinahayaan natin yung sarili natin yung mag-judge sa atin. Huwag nating pangunahan yung sarili natin. Let's trust ourselves. Paano natin malalaman na kaya pala natin? Paano natin malalaman yung result kung hindi pa natin ginagawa? The reason why I'm doing this, it's because I saw a YouTuber. One of his videos was really an eye-opener for me. Pinakita niya doon kung papaano niya minomotivate yung sarili niya every day to do the things that will make him happy in the future. Tayo kasi na mga tao, it's really our nature to procrastinate or to give reasons para hindi natin gawin yung isang bagay na alam natin na magpapasaya sa atin in the long run just because ayaw nating mag-go through the process. We don't want to take the steps para ma-reach yung happiness na yon or para ma-reach yung goal natin na yon. Kasi pag iniisip pa lang natin yung process, nagiging discomfort na siya sa atin. We really wanted that goal so badly. Meron tayong mga plano in order for us to achieve that goal. Alam natin kung ano ang dapat nating gawin. Pero pag nandun na tayo sa moment na dapat na nating gawin yung mga steps na plinano natin, yung katawan natin, nilalabanan tayo. So alam ng isip natin na dapat nating gawin yung mga steps na to, pero yung katawan natin ayaw niya kasi alam niya na discomfort yun sa kanya. People are looking for things that will entertain them. People are looking for things na magbibigay ng comfort sa kanila. Kaya we avoid yung discomfort. So automatic yun sa ating mga tao. Automatic yun sa isip natin at saka sa katawan natin. So it's really up to us on how we react to those emotions and thinking na meron tayo. So life expectancy here in the Philippines, according to macro trends, is 71.53 years. Imagine, 71.53 years. So, if you look at the picture that I have right now on the screen, ang bilang ng circles na nandito ay 71 circles. Yung shaded ng black, 33 circles yan. And that's my age. I'm 33 years old and I'm turning 34 next month. So, magdadagdagan pa yan. So, if we look at the white circles, almost half na siya ng life expectancy. So, where am I now? Nawala na yung 33 years. Hindi ko na may babalik yon. Ang buhay naman hindi naman movie para i-rewind natin, para balikan natin yung mga moments in the past. So, it's not like that. We only live once. Hindi na natin mababalikan yung mga yun. So, as for me, wala na yung 33 years ko. Sa 33 years na yon, maraming oras ang nasayang because I procrastinated. I postponed the things that I wanted to do. I didn't do the things that I have to do to achieve my goals. So, siguro kung naging consistent lang ako years ago, siguro 5 years ago, 10 years ago, mas successful na ako ngayon. Like for example, in my YouTube channel, I started this YouTube channel in 2018, pero hindi ako naging consistent. May ibang mga YouTubers dyan nag-start lang recently, but they have more subscribers than me. Mas marami na ring viewers kasi nga, they were consistent. So, it doesn't matter kung kailan ka nag-start, pero dapat continuous ka, hindi ka tumitigil. We have to focus on that goal and don't stop. pwedeng mag-rest but don't stop. So what I did was I stopped. Nag-rest ako, but may rest ba na years, months? I wasted a lot of time giving reasons to myself para hindi gawin ang isang bagay. Pero ang totoo nun, takot ako. Takot tayo or tamad tayo para gawin yung mga bagay na yun. Imagine, yung remaining years na nandito tayo sa mundong to, maraming oras pa yon ang i-spend natin to sleep, to work, of course, that's so important, to do other things like our hobbies. What if nagkasakit pa tayo? So mag-spend pa tayo ng time to rest. Kasi nga may sakit tayo. Hindi natin alam kung gaano katagal. And hindi naman natin alam kung marireach ba natin yung 71 years na yan. We're lucky kung masusurpass naman natin, di ba? Do we have enough time to just take things for granted? Wala. We don't have enough time. So, if you're someone out there na katulad ko na parang feeling ko lost na ako and I'm hopeless, wala na tayong time para mag-dwell dun sa feeling na yan. Wala nang ibang way but just to look forward and move forward. Let's not dwell on the past na. Past is past. Ika nga. Hindi na natin maibabalik yun. Hindi na natin ma-rewind ang buhay para baguhin natin yung mga ginawa natin. So, fear. Fear is the number one thing that is keeping us from the things that we really wanted. Fear of failure, fear of being judged, fear of failing ourselves, fear of, ewan ko, kung ano pang fear ng mga yan. And laziness, katamaran. Tamad lang talaga tayo. And then, bibigyan natin yung sarili natin ng reasons. Bakit kaya hindi ko nare-reach yung goal ko? Tapos, bibigyan natin yung sarili natin ng mga reasons. Number 1, kasi walang right opportunity. Number 2, because I don't have the resources, the right resources. I don't have the knowledge. Number 3, and I'm not as privileged as those people who are already successful. Sila kasi ganito, merong tumulong sa kanila. Sila kasi binigyan ng magandang opportunity. Sila kasi mayaman na sila dati, may pera sila. No, we're just giving reasons then para i-accept na tama yung ginawa natin. Pero we all know na hindi naman talaga tama. But of course, past is past na nga. So let's not dwell on the past. Let's not give more reasons sa sarili natin para magpakatamad. But let's aim for that goal na. Let's start taking the first step para makapag-move forward na tayo. Kasi kung hanggang isip-isip na lang tayo, emotional na lang, iyak-iyak na lang, walang mangyayari sa atin. Di ba? So I hope this video helps. And kung ano man yung mga napagdaanan ninyo, if it's okay with you to share, please do.